Hi student, in this lecture we see some properties of a transpose of a matrix, and in last lecture we already studied about the transpose. Transpose of a matrix means what? Only interchanging the rows and columns we get the transpose of any matrix. So here the first property of transpose of a matrix is what? If A and B are two matrices of same order, which is very important, then A plus B whole bracket transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Second property is that if we multiply any matrix A by any constant K and take the transpose of the matrix, then we will get K into A transpose. And third property is that A and B are conformable for product AB. Then AB bracket transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose, which is not equal to A transpose into B transpose. These two are not same. Remember that AB whole bracket transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now, using these three properties, we solve our next exercise, that is exercise 2.4. So, start our exercise 2.4. So, what is first question here? Find A transpose if. Question 1. Find A transpose if A is equal to 1, 3 minus 4, 5. We have to take only transpose of a matrix. So, A transpose means what? Only interchange the rows and columns. So, the first row 1, 3, it become first column, and the second row minus 4, it become second column. This is a transpose of our matrix. Second example is there. A is equal to 2 minus 6, 1 minus 4, 0, 5. Then what is the transpose? If the matrix is of order 2 by 3, then the order of A transpose is 3 by 2. The first row become first column 2 minus 6, 1 minus 4, 0, 5. This is a transpose of our second matrix. Now question 2. If A is equal to Aij of order 3 by 3. A is equal to Aij of order 3 by 3, where Aij is equal to 2 into I minus j, where Aij is equal to 2 into I minus j. This is our condition to find the matrix A. Then find A and A transpose and state whether the A and A transpose both are symmetric or skew symmetric matrix. So first, check these matrices. We have to find our matrix A. This is a matrix of order 3 by 3. So first we write the elements in this matrix A11, A12. This is general elements, and from this, using this condition, we find our matrix A. A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Now, by using the condition, we find every element. So, first one element is A11. So, write 2 into I minus j. Since here 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. A12, 2 into, this is I and this is j. That is 1 minus 2. 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. A13, 2 into 1 minus 3. Since it is 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Next, A13, then A21 is equal to 2 into I minus j, 2 minus 1. 2 into 1, it is 2. A22, 2 into 2 minus 2, then it is 0. A23, 2 into 2 minus 3, 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. A23, then A1, A21, A22, next A31, 2 into 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 into 2, then it is 4. A3 2, 2 into 3 minus 2, that is 2 into 1, 2. A3 3, 2 into 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. Using our condition, we find every element of matrix A. Now write matrix A. Therefore, A is equal to 0, minus 2, minus 4. Next 2 minus 2, 4. 2 minus 2, 4. Sorry. 0 minus 2 minus 4. 2, 0 minus 2. 2, 0 minus 2. And next one is 4, 2, 0. First find A. Also find A transpose. Now take A transpose of the matrix. The first row, write as the first column. 2, 0, minus 2 and 4, 2, 0. Now look at in matrix A. Here this element is minus 2 and this is plus 2. This is minus 4, this is plus 4. Again it is minus 2, it is plus 2. So this matrix A and A transpose satisfies the condition Aij is equal to minus times Ajr. Elements are same, but there is only change in sign. So this is A and A transpose are skew symmetric matrix. Both are skew symmetric. Symmetric matrix means what? If Aij is equal to Ajr, then it is called as symmetric matrix. But here Aij is equal to minus times Aj. Since the matrix, both matrix A and A transpose are called as a skew symmetric matrix. Now next question 3. Question 3 is there. If A is equal to 5 minus 3, 4 minus 3, minus 2, 1. Then prove that A transpose of transpose is equal to A. Is equal to A. So first take transpose of given matrix. That is, rows are converted into columns and columns are converted into rows. So 5 minus 3, 4 minus 3, minus 2, 1. This is A transpose. Now take again transpose of this matrix. First take, say, this matrix, equation 1. Now take A transpose of transpose. Take again its transpose. So this row converted into column. 5, 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3, 1. And which is equal to A. Therefore, here we prove A transpose of transpose which is equal to A. This is our third question. Next, what is fourth question? If A is equal to 1, 2 minus 5, 2 minus 3, 4, minus 5, 4, 9. Then prove that A transpose is equal to A. Then prove that A transpose is equal to A. Therefore, take A transpose. A transpose is very easy concept. So, only we have to interchange the rows and columns. First row write as a first column. 2 minus 3, 4 and minus 5, 4, 9. So look at this matrix. This is a same matrix A and A transpose, because we know that in last lecture we see if the matrix or if a matrix is symmetric matrix. If a matrix is symmetric, then A and its transpose and the matrix are equivalent or it is same. And here the given matrix is a symmetric matrix because A21 is equal to A12, A13 is equal to A31 and A32 is equal to A23. If matrix is symmetric matrix, then A and A transpose are equal, and if A and therefore from 1 and 2 here we write, therefore from 1 and 2 A transpose is equal to A, because here given matrix A is a symmetric matrix. If it is symmetric, then A and A transpose are same. And if matrix is skew symmetric, then A is equal to minus times A transpose. These two conditions are very important. If it is symmetric, this condition is true, and if it is skew symmetric, then this is a true condition. Now, what is question number 5 here? Question 5. If A is equal to 2 minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, 1. B, 2, 1, 4, minus 1, minus 3, 3. And C, 1, 2, minus 1, 4, and minus 2, 3. Then show that first example is that A plus B vector transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and the second A minus C transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. So here we solve first example, question 1, that is A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, and first we solve our LHS. What is LHS? A plus B bracket transpose. So first, taking transpose, we solve the A plus B. Get addition of A plus B. A is 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, minus 6, 1. Plus B, 2, 1, 4 minus 1, minus 3, 3. Right addition? 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. 5 plus 4, 9. Minus 6 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1, minus 5. Minus 6 minus 3, minus 9. And 1 plus 3. This is A plus B. This is A plus B. But we have A plus B transpose. So take transpose of A plus B. Therefore, A plus B transpose is equal to that is 4 minus 2, 9 minus 5 and minus 9, 4. Say equation number 1. Here we solve our LHS. Now what is RHS? A transpose plus B transpose. So first of all we take A transpose and B transpose, right? A transpose 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, minus 6, 1. And B transpose 2, 1, 4 minus 1, minus 3, 3. RHS is what? A transpose plus B transpose. Take addition of both of them. 2, 5, minus 6, minus 3, minus 4, 1. Plus 2, 4, minus 3, 1, minus 1, plus 3. A transpose plus B transpose is equal to 2 plus 2, 4, 5 plus 2, 4, 9, minus 6 minus 3, minus 10, minus 3 plus 1, minus 2, and minus 4 minus 1, minus 5, 1 plus 3, 4. Equation number 2. Now look at our equation 1 and equation 2. Both are same. 4, 9, minus 9, minus 2, minus 4, minus 4. Therefore, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, we prove here A plus B whole bracket transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Hence, it is proved. Hence, it is proved, the first example. Now, here we have given subtraction of A and C. So, first take A minus C transpose. So, first of all, find A minus C. A minus C transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. So, first type A minus C. LHS is equal to A minus C transpose, and then write A minus C. Subtraction of AC. What is A? 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4, minus 6 and 1. Minus C, 1, 2, minus 12, 4, minus 2, 3. 2 minus 1, it is 1. Minus 3 minus 2, it is minus 5. 5 minus minus, since it is plus 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. 4, and here minus 4, it is minus 8. Minus 6 minus minus plus 2, that is minus 4. And here 1 minus 3, so it is minus 2, which is A minus C. But we have to take transpose of A minus C. So write A minus C transpose. Therefore, A minus C transpose is equal to 1 minus 5, 6 minus 8, minus 4, minus 2. See equation number 1. RHS is also RHS A transpose minus C transpose. So write A transpose. 2 minus 3, 5 minus 4 and minus 6, 1. C transpose is on 1, 2, minus 1, 4, minus 2, 3. Take subtraction of both of them. 2, 5, minus 6, minus 3, minus 4, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 2, 4, 3 is equal to 2 minus 1, it is 1. 5 minus minus plus 1, since 6, minus 6 minus minus plus 2, so minus 4. Minus 3 minus 2, it is minus 5. Minus 4 minus 4, minus 8. 1 minus 3 minus 2. Equation number 2. A transpose minus C transpose. Therefore, look at equation 1 and equation 2. Again, both are same. Therefore, from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, A minus C bracket transpose is equal to A transpose minus C transpose. Hence, it is proved. Now, what is next question? Next question is A is equal to, we have given two matrices A and B. Question number 6. What is question 6 here? If A is equal to 5, 4, minus 2, 3. B minus 1, 3, 4 minus 1. Minus 1, 3, 4 minus 1. Then find C transpose. Then find C transpose such that the condition is given is 3A minus 2B plus C is equal to R. While we finding C transpose, we have to find the matrix C, where I is a matrix, identity matrix of same order 2 by 2. So first, using this AB, we find our matrix C. So 3 into A given. Write here solution and given 3A minus 2B plus C is equal to R. Therefore, C is equal to what? I minus 3A plus 2B. We have to find the value of matrix C. So we take C in LHS and other values in RHS. So C is equal to R minus 3A and that minus 2B in this side it is plus 2B. Therefore C is equal to identity 1 0 0 1 minus 3 into A 5 4 minus 2 3 plus 2 into B minus 1 3 4 minus 1. Therefore C is equal to, first we take multiplication of these two, minus 3 into 5 15, 3 into 4 12, 3 minus 2 minus 6 and 3 3s are 9 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 minus 1 minus 2. Now take 1 minus 15, it is minus 14 and it is minus 2, minus 14 minus 2 minus 16. Next 0 minus 12, it is minus 12 and plus 6, that is minus 6. Next one is 0 0 0 minus it is plus 6 plus 8 14. 1 minus 9 minus 8 and here minus 2, that is minus 10. This is the matrix C and we have to take transpose of C. Therefore C transpose is equal to minus 16 minus 6 14 minus 10. Rows are converted into columns and columns are converted into rows. This is called as a transpose of a matrix. So this is our answer of question number 6. Now what is question number 7? Question number 7 we see in next lecture, where there are 12 questions in exercise number 2.4. The remaining questions we take in next lectures.